Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Boss MCQ Part 10. I encourage you to learn, to like, to share, and to subscribe. The root which grows from near the base of the trunk of some woody plants is A. Lateral roots. B. Prop roots. C. Elio roots. D. Adventitious root. And the answer is B. Prop root. Which one of the following farming methods would cause pollution in an aquatic habitat? A. Application of farmyard manure. B. Crop rotation. C. Mulching. D. Use of fertilizers. And the answer is D. Use of fertilizers. The graph below shows changes in dry weight of a seedling of a non-woody plant. It has the dry weight and the time. What is the possible explanation for the shape of the curve in phase 3? Rate of A. Respiration is greater than that of photosynthesis. B. Respiration is constant. C. Growth is highest. D. Assimilation is equal to respiration. And the answer is assimilation is equal to respiration. Which one of the blood groups will not agglutinate with N blood serum when mixed? A. O. B. A. C. AB. D. B. And the answer is C. AB. A male cockroach is different from the female cockroach by having A. Longer antenna. B. Style. C. Suckers. D. Large abdomen. And the answer is B. Styles. Which one of the following conditions are necessary for producing movement in vertebrates? 1. Masseter muscles must be attached to the end of bones. 2. Masseter bundles must occur in pairs. 3. One of a pair of muscles must be more strongly developed than the other. 4. One of a pair of muscle must consist of a smooth muscle. A. 1, 3, 4. B. 1, 2, 3. C. 1, 2, 4. D. 2 and 4. And the answer is B. 1. Muscles must be attached to the end of the bones. 2. Muscular bundles must occur in pairs. 3. One of the muscle must be strongly developed than the other. Which one of the following compounds is a constituent of enzymes? A. Polysaccharides. B. Vitamins. C. Lipids. D. Protein. And the answer is D. Protein. One of two identical twins brought up differently was fatter and healthier than the other. What kind of variation does this show? A. Discontinuous variation. B. Habitat variation. C. Social variation. D. Genetic variation. And the answer is B. Habitat variation. Which one of the following structure in the mammalian ear is concerned with balance? The A. Semicircular canal. B. Cochlea. C. Oval window. D. Eustachian tube. And the answer is A. Semicircular canals. The type of soil with minute air spaces and high water retention capacity is A. Sand. B. Clay. C. Silt. D. Loam. And the answer is B. Clay. Which one of the following cannot be used in the classification of plants? A. Structure of the flower. B. Leaf structure. C. Type of seeds. D. Leaf color. And the answer is D. Leaf color. Which one of the following is not a property of fully tagged plant cell? A. The cytoplasm is only slightly separated from the cell wall. B. There is no more absorption of water by the cell. C. The vacuole has maximum volume. D. The cell wall resists further expansion of the vacuole. And the answer is A. the cytoplasm is only slightly separated from the cell wall. Which one of the following diets would be recommended for an overweight person? A. Low carbohydrates, high proteins, low fat. B. High carbohydrate, low protein, low fat. C. High carbohydrate, high protein, low fat. D. Low carbohydrate, low protein, high fat. And the answer is A. Low carbohydrates, high protein, low fat. Intestinal parasites are not digested by the host's enzymes because of A. Secretion of large quantity of mucus. B. Possession of attachment device. C. Having a high rate of reproduction. D. Lack of their own digestive system. And the answer is A. Secretion of large quantities of mucus. Which one of these is the correct order in which the following organisms occur in a food chain? A. Vulture, antelope, lion. B. Lion, vulture, antelope. C. Antelope, lion, vulture. D. Lion, antelope, vulture. And the answer is C. Antelope, lion, vulture. What would happen to an enzyme if the temperature of its medium was increased to above 50 degrees Celsius? The enzyme would be A. Denatured. B. Inactivated. C. Killed. D. Activated. The answer is A. Denatured. All animals made up of one cell are called A. Amoeba. B. Palamecium. C. Unicellular. D. Protozoa. And the answer is unicellular. Which one of the following is an adaptation of reptiles for terrestrial environment? A. Elongated body. B. Social scales. C. Lungs. D. Limbs. And the answer is C. Lungs. Which one of the following parts of the ear transmits sound wave from the middle ear to the inner ear? A. Oval-window membrane. B. Oscars. C. Auditory nerve. D. Tympanic membrane. And the answer is A. Oval window membrane. Which one of the following methods would you use to estimate the frequency of a plant species in an area? A. Random sampling. B. Line transect. C. Belt transect. D. Quadrant method. And the answer is A. Random sampling. Thank you very much for participating in Biology Boss MCQ Part 10. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.